Hi, this is motivational sales and leadership speaker Doug Dvorak here in Phoenix at Cable One. Just finished a full day sales training, motivation, questions, the science of DISC. Awesome audience, great company. Carpe diem.
I really enjoyed the DISC training. Felt like we all learned a lot about ourselves and our personalities and our coaching styles, and definitely going to take that into, coaching and learning into the future.
I attended Doug's presentation here today, and I really enjoyed the coaching process.
I attended Doug's training today, and I really got a lot from the DISC training, especially how to relate to fellow leaders on the team.
I really took away the question-based selling and how to close properly, listening actively to our customers.
I've just completed and graduated from Doug's technical training, and I enjoyed it immensely, and I believe that I'll be able to bring a lot of content, learned a lot of information. There's a lot of material that we'll be able to bring back to make sure our teams are successful.